There is never a good time to run into trouble with your vehicle, but at National Tyres and Autocare, we're taking the worry out of any unexpected motoring costs. We're ready to go the extra mile. If your car needs attention, we offer payment assist on purchases over £250. Pay just a third on the day of purchase, then pay the remaining balance as 2 equal monthly payments. For example, if your bill came to £300, you pay £100, followed by 2 equal payments of £100 over the next 2 months. There are no credit checks or lengthy forms to be completed, so as long as you have a UK registered debit card with sufficient funds to cover the initial deposit, you can take advantage of the scheme. National Tyres and Autocare is the UK's largest independent tyre and autocare specialist. With over 240 branches nationwide, we're always ready to go the extra mile to keep you on the road. Call for a quote on 0800 687 687 or find your nearest branch at national.co.uk.